Let's crochet a cute watermelon ice cream stick. Fun, quick, and perfect for summer. I'm using a 2mm crocheted hook. Start with the green part of the ice cream body and make a slip knot. Chain 11. Turn the chain to work back along the other side to form the base. From the second chain from the hook to the 9th, work 1 single crochet in each chain. 8 single crochet total. Leave the last chain unworked for the corner. At the end of the chain corner, make W, 3 single crochet in the same stitch to create the corner. Continue with 8 single crochet along the opposite side of the foundation chain. Finish with an increase, 2 single crochet in the last chain to complete the round. Total stitches after R1 equals 21. Tip: mark the first stitch if you're working in the round to help with counting. Round 2 begins with an N increase. Work 2 single crochets in the first stitch. Then crochet 8 single crochets. In the next 3 stitches, make 2 single crochets in each. That's 3 increases in a row. Continue with 8 single crochets and end the round with 2 more increases. Again, 2 single crochets in each of the last 2 stitches. You should now have 28 stitches. Count carefully to be sure nothing is missing. For round 3, work 1 single crochet in the back loop only of the first stitch. This BLO technique creates a neat ridge. In the next stitch, make an ink increase. Then crochet 8 single crochets. Next, repeat the sequence, 1 single crochet, 1 increase, 3 times. Work 8 more single crochets and finish with 2 repeats of 1 single crochet, 1 increase. At the end of this round, you should have 34 stitches. Double check your count so the shape stays even. For round 4, simply make 1 single crochet in each stitch around, keeping a total of 34 stitches with no increases or decreases. This keeps the circle flat and neat. After finishing, cut the yarn and continue with the next rounds. Round 5. Yellow yarn. Join yellow yarn to the next stitch. Work 1 SC in each stitch around. Total after round 5, 34 stitches. After finishing, cut the yarn and continue with the next rounds. Rounds 6 through 9, red yarn. Change to red yarn. Crochet 34 single crochets in each round for 4 rounds. Total after round 9 is 34 stitches. Round 10. White yarn. Switch to white yarn. Work 34 single crochets evenly around. Total 34 stitches. Round 11, back loop only. Work 34 single crochet in the back loop only of each stitch. Total 34 stitches. The BLO round creates a neat decorative ridge. Rounds 12 through 14, white. Work 34 single crochet in both loops for 3 rounds. Total after round 14 is 34 stitches. Round 15, step by step, single crochet in the first stitch. Decrease over the next 2 stitches. Eight single crochet, repeat single crochet, decrease 3 times. 8 single crochet, repeat single crochet, decrease 2 times. Total after round 15, round 16, final decrease. Pattern, decrease 8 single crochet, decrease times 3, 8 single crochet, decrease times 2. Decrease in the first 2 stitches, 8 single crochet, decrease 3 times in a row, 3 separate decreases, 8 single crochet, decrease twice more. Total after round 16 is 22 stitches. Stuff. Lightly fill the body with fiber fill until it's firm but still soft. Fasten off. Cut the yarn, leaving a long tail for sewing. Close and hide tail. Use a yarn needle to stitch the opening closed, then weave the tail through a few stitches inside the piece to hide it before trimming the excess. Ruffled edge. Work 1 single crochet in the starting stitch. Repeat 8 times. Double crochet. Treble crochet. Double crochet, single crochet in the next stitch. Finish with slip stitch to the first single crochet. Ice cream stick, brown. Row 1, chain 4, turn, single crochet in second chain from hook and next chain 2 single crochet. Increase in last chain, single crochet in next 2 chain along opposite side, 6 stitches. Rounds 2 through 4, single crochet in each stitch around, 6 single crochet per round. Fasten off, leaving a tail for sewing. Cat ear. Make 2. Chain 3, turn. Row 1, 2 DC in the second chain from hook. 2 DC plus 3 DC plus 1 DC, all in next chain. Fasten off, leave tail to sew. Finally, sew all the parts together to complete your piece. Thank you so much for crocheting along with me.